What do you want to be when you grow up? If you could do what you love, what would that be? That's what I'm talking about today on today's video. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Dom and I help people to step into their truth and power. So what do you want to be when you grow up? I'm sure you were asked this question at least a few times when you were younger. But when asked that question just now, did you have an answer at the ready? Or did you need a few moments to think about it? We've all had dreams of becoming something great, like a fireman or a teacher or an astronaut or a rock star, just to name a few. But looking back, how did you do? Maybe you never aspired to be what you set out to be or said that you would want to become. But then again, things change. The older we get, our tastes change, our view of the world changes, our desires change, and even our goals change. One of the most important lessons I've learned during my career path is to do something you love to do. Why is this important? Well, I feel that if you love what you do to earn a living, you end up loving your life and being really happy in just more ways than one. Life itself just becomes so much more interesting and fun. You find yourself speaking passionately to others about your work and how you serve others and what you love to do. And the experiences you have along the way become much more rewarding and they enrich your life in many ways. I know I've gotten to meet some fascinating people from all over the world. I know people who have turned favorite hobbies into small businesses and have succeeded. Sure, they may have had to sacrifice a steady paycheck for their happiness, but not one of them have ever turned their back or given up. Their passion has been carrying them through, and not one of them have had to return to their old careers. While no job or business is ever going to be perfect, the important thing is to enjoy it, even continue to learn from it. If you're unhappy in your current situation, why not take steps now to change it? What is really stopping you? Somewhere out there is a job, a career, or a business that is perfect for you. If you are already there, I applaud and celebrate you. You are in the top 10% of people who love what they do to earn a living. But if you're not loving it, realize that it may take some time to figure out what you really need to do to change your experience, or even what you actually want to do instead of what you're doing. And in realizing that it could take additional time to actually get there. But that's okay. I can tell you from experience that finding and doing what you love is absolutely worth it and worth every step of the way. All of the research, all of the training, and all of the hands-on experience has made me such a stronger and happier person. And when you feel in charge of your own destiny, well, there is no greater feeling. You'll never look back again. So what would you love to be doing to earn a living right now? And what is stopping you from pursuing it? Share that in the comments below because I want to encourage you and inspire you in whatever that is to begin taking action in. I also would like to invite you to join my brand new free online community, ProEmpowerment Online. I'm interfacing with everyone in the community each week, sharing valuable information similar to this, but more. You'll also have the ability to join in the conversation in a place where we can meet people like each other here with similar ideals and goals who enjoy sharing freely without feeling judged, being shut down, or censored. To join me in that community, it's 100% free. I'd love to have you join me there. Just click on the Pro Empowerment Online link in the comments and description box below. And so with that, I'd like to thank you for joining me today. I love you for being here. And until I connect with you again for my next video, stay well, stay healthy, and stay empowered.